Hi, Acadiana. I'm meteorologist Dave Baker. Welcome to a very warm and muggy Thursday. Big difference in what we were seeing during the week last week with the snow and the very cold conditions. Temperatures only dropping into the upper 60s to around 70. We've even seen a few widely scattered showers and some patchy dense fog to go along with it. But as we look at the sky cam here this morning, we can see there are still a few breaks in the clouds, but a lot of cloud cover is expected today, and I do believe it's going to get windy as an upper trough and a surface low out to the west will advance eastward, eventually pulling a cold front through the region this evening and overnight, and that will bring a pretty good round of showers and thunderstorms, and there's still a chance we could see some severe weather out there. Now, looking at the traffic cams, there are going to be some areas of wet roadways, and there's also a few areas where the fog has reduced the visibility down to less than a half a mile. So if you're going to be traveling this morning to work or school, you might need to allow yourself a few extra minutes here and there. As far as our temperatures, again, it is very mild out here. In fact, temperatures now are warmer than what our average daytime high should be here at the end of January. Most of the region in the 60s to around 70. And for the students, other than a lot of cloud cover and maybe a quick shower, temperatures will be hovering in the mid to upper 60s. And there might be a few thunderstorms, especially for our western sections as we get into the afternoon pickup time with temperatures running around 75, but I really think most of the showers and thunderstorms will advance across Acadiana later on this evening. Look at all the rain, though, that's over Texas, Arkansas, and into Oklahoma. A lot of that heavier rain is going to be lifting to the north, while a line of showers and thunderstorms will kind of fire up along that frontal boundary, which is currently over the hill country. And then you've got this upper trough that's out over the Four Corner states, eastern New Mexico, now starting to pull into Texas and Oklahoma. But there's a rich amount of Gulf moisture ahead of it, so the showers and thunderstorms are producing some decent amounts of rain farther inland, and we'll see some pretty good showers and thunderstorms with some heavy downpours possible with that line coming through later tonight. And there is your upper level pattern, the surface low advancing just ahead of it through the Arklatex. That's going to be lifting up into the middle part of the country and dragging that cold front with it. Showers, thunderstorms will probably fire up along the Louisiana-Texas state line as we get into the late afternoon hours. And right now it looks like the timing is going to be bringing most of the showers and thunderstorms across Acadiana sometime between the 5 o'clock drive and probably exiting the region sometime around midnight out there over parts of Iberia and St. Mary. But the upper trough will continue to move off to the east. The surface low will go ahead and move across the mid-Mississippi Valley, and with that, a line of showers and thunderstorms will come through. I will say the models are not nearly as robust on any severe weather as what we've seen over the past several days, nor are they very robust when it comes to the heavier amounts of rain. In fact, most of the Acadiana region is probably going to see upwards of an inch of rain. Many areas will see less than that, but the Storm Prediction Center still has a large part of Acadiana in a level 2 slight risk, and I think this would be from some bow echoes along that line that could produce some damaging winds briefly. Right now the hail threat is pretty low, and so is the tornado threat. Temperatures are going to be very, very warm today, pushing back into the mid to upper 70s. If there's a peak of sunshine, I wouldn't be surprised to see a couple of locations getting very close to the 80-degree mark. And even with a cold front coming through, temperatures aren't going to be able to fall off a whole lot by tomorrow morning, but it will be dry as a Pacific air mass starts to slide in behind that front. Gulf satellite showing a lot of fog in the offshore waters, and winds are going to be picking up out there as well. So a small craft advisory will be in effect as those winds will be out of the south at 20 to 25 knots and seas building to 3 to 4 feet in the nearshore waters, considerably higher in the far offshore waters. Temperatures today up to 77. Again, a few showers here and there, but the bulk of the rain that we're expecting probably won't come in until after the 5 o'clock drive. 77 your high, 60 tonight, and then 72 tomorrow. A few clouds in the morning, but I think will be sunny by the afternoon. A little cooler Friday night as we drop down to 47, which, by the way, is still above normal for late January standards. And then going into Saturday, we're looking at high temperatures. It'll top out at around 70 degrees under mostly sunny skies, and that is how we're going to be starting our February with some dry and mild conditions, and that should last into the early part of the work week. Also want to remind you that you need to get that Ticket to Drive Jeep Mazda giveaway ticket right now. Your $50 purchase goes to some great community projects under the umbrella of the Our Lady of Lourdes Foundation. You can scan that QR code to your left or call the number or visit the website you see there on your screen. And we are going to have a special phone bank tonight on the 5 o'clock news on KATC. So you can also buy your ticket then, but make sure you get it by midnight tonight. That way you're entered into the early bird prize of $1,500. The St. Bernadette Community Clinic, Congregational Health Services, the Northside High School Health Center, Children's Health Initiatives, including the new NICU that they're going to be building at Our Lady of Lourdes Women's and Children's Hospital, plus a new chapel there. It benefits a lot of folks right here in Acadiana. Don't forget, all money raised here stays right here in the Acadiana region. So get your ticket to drive today. Well, I hope you enjoy Acadiana weather today. If you do, please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also turn on those notifications. You can also hear my forecast daily on Big 102.1, Planet Radio 106.7, and Freedom 95.1. And you can follow my social media pages both on Facebook and X, and we crossed over 3,600 subscribers yesterday right here on Acadiana Weather Today. I do appreciate it. Make sure you tune in to the 5 o'clock show on KATC for more on your ticket to drive, and in between now and then, I will see you on Friday morning. Have a great Thursday.